Sparky Beans.
Hey YouTube fans, on today's episode, we're going on a helicopter tour of Hawaii, and then we're gonna go to a nice beach. I brought the drone with me. If you don't know, I'm making a drone edit in Hawaii. Should be very exciting. It is a beautiful morning in Hawaii. Beautiful. Also, if you don't know, my boosted board came and it's home, so I'm really excited for that. Just finished breakfast. Now we're going on the helicopter over beautiful Oahu, Hawaii. Should be a very exquisite time. We're at the helicopter place. A lot of air traffic around here in Hawaii. Oh, helicopter. Finished the helicopter tour. Amazing footage of Hawaii. It looked like the drone, but like times 10. And right by the airport. Okay, I think we're gonna go to exquisite Hawaiian beach right now. Very excited. And we're leaving the beach right now. Exquisite, very exquisite quality beach visit. Okay, my YouTube fans, just got back from the beach. Everyone else is in the pool. I just came up here to do stuff and talk to you guys. So I found out a couple days ago I'm gonna be going to something in Los Angeles in July. It's not 100%, it's like 90%, but it's gonna be crazy stuff, which you guys are gonna love. It's in Los Angeles in July. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay guys, we're going downstairs right now, and today's episode is gonna end right now.